Kasain hima sima hapo ke jela kamtam ha ke jingedai ba ke jing trekam jong ka sorkar MDA kelas Sdang ban ki phalo hagini ki khandiat sngi kamtam halor ke jing keno bamsap ha kabala teipop ha ki nongilam jong ke NPP kentup kakam khayuduyong ha kabala kedau kti ya ujem sangma bat kumjuru ha kenat penmi boarding bat halor ke jing kelonno jong udum ka ying dorbar thawan ke jela ka badang don ha pedeng ke jing tei ban pendep yaka nakliang jong ke parti BJP kabaya trelang bat ka sorkar MDA hapo ke jing yalam jong konrat sangma kelapen pau ke jing persya ke bajur halor ke jing keno bamsap dangshen ngelapen long ye ke jing yalang bat ki babun kinong tre jong ke parti kilapen pau badai ban wengno ye ke jingkyrshan na ka sorkar MDA namar lajur palat ke kam bamsap ngin saya krenru bat ki arngut ki MLA jong ka parti bat hadin kane ngin sapha syakinong yalam jong ka central hadelhi kenang bakin shim ya karai ke bakhadu ong uba Anes Mori ubadai presiden jong ka BJP hangne hamek halaya.
You see, on the advice of the party workers and the state office bearer, in the presence of our General Secretary Organization in charge of Northeast Ajay Jamalji and our Honorable MLA and Minister Mr. Sambor Shulai, the House, we are having the State Executive Committee on the 25th this month. So the party caricators, the office bearer and the district president, they have given the view that and suggestion we should withdraw the support from this MDA government. And it is decided there in the State Executive Committee, we will invite both the MLA, that is Ba Elhek and Sanbor Shulai, and sit with me as the state president and take a call for discussion for this matter. And it is very unfortunate, Ba Elhek is busy and Ba Sanbor also, he went out of station. I think today he's returning to the state capital, and by tomorrow or the afternoon tomorrow we'll have the meeting and we have to send the information to our central leader. Why I want to give a statement on this matter? Because while formation of the MDA government, I think you have seen all the central leaders from Delhi, they have come a long way from Delhi to Meghalaya to present during the formation of the government. Even our tall leader like Amit Shahji and others leaders like Dr. Himanshu Mishra Sharma. So you see, to pull out the support from the government, we have to intimate to our central leader, then only they will give a final call to us whether we should remain with the government or will withdraw support.
Hakawai pat kaliang nakliang jong kinong yalam jong ka UDP kabadai kawai na ki parti kabawan baar ha jingbun ki MLA ki betrelang bat ka sorkar MDA kilapan pau bakilakwa ban wengno ya ke jingkyrshan na ka sorkar MDA bayalam da ke NPP hanrei tang nakadaw bakim kwa ban wan kasensyar presiden rule kumta kim ban se ban penne ya ke jingin trelang hadu kabakut sansnem hakawai pat kaliang nakliang jong uba presiden tunsong ubadai national vice president jong ka NPP ula kentait halor ke jingkeno bamsap bat uloong bakini ki eki baro kilajia tang namar balajan ke election bat uong ru banakliang jong ki parti ke biya trelang ki don ya ke ju ke jingkit kli bat ya kino kirai laju ya selok lang syaban shim ya karai ke bakhadu uloong ru balada kalong ke basisya halor ke jingkeno bamsap balai ke UDP kating ban weng jingkyrshan.
You know, if the coalition partners feel that, then let the high command of the BJP send the message that they don't support the government. So as long as the leadership of the BJP does not write, there will be people talking. There could be so many members talking, people who are not even part of the governance process in any way. So those are there, but I don't think I need to comment or react on comments made by these individuals.